In the heart of industrial innovation, where strength meets precision, Origin Machinery Factory stands tall. Behold, the unsung heroes of any mining operation, the robust and reliable undercarriage components meticulously crafted by XCMG. Each part, a testament to endurance and efficiency, is engineered to withstand the toughest terrains and fiercest conditions. From the rugged tracks that grip the earth to the sturdy frames that support massive loads, every component is designed with state-of-the-art technology. The result: seamless performance, reduced downtime, and unparalleled durability that ensures your operations run smoothly, hour after hour, day after day. Don't just take our word for it, experience the XCMG difference. Whether you're looking to boost your machinery's longevity or enhance its performance, we have the solution for you. Reach out to us now and discover how our undercarriage components can revolutionize your mining operations. Origin Machinery, where excellence in engineering meets the challenge of the mines. Contact us today for a partnership that moves you forward. Visit our website, call us, or drop an email. We're here to help you conquer new frontiers in mining machinery.